Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to close half position in Ctrader. Trimming a trade without fully exiting it is one of those things that feels advanced until you realize it's actually pretty simple in Ctrader. When I have an open position, I head straight to the Positions tab where all active trades are listed. I select the position I want to adjust, and instead of closing it entirely, I choose to modify it. Here's what it gets interesting. I manually reduce the volume, so if I originally opened something like 0.05, I just cut that in half to 0.025. By confirming that change, Ctrader effectively closes part of the trade while keeping the rest running. It's a clean way to lock in partial profits without exiting completely. Quick tip, always double check the volume before confirming, because once it's executed, that portion is gone for good. It's a small adjustment, but it gives you way more control over your trades. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.